Welcome back to the Charmed Life Show. My name is Charm Heartland, and I serve the amazing people of San Jose, California. Today, we're talking all about how to spend this extra time at home over the holidays, getting ready to put your house on the market at the beginning of the new year. Are you considering making a move or selling your house? And have you been seeing your neighbors get top dollar for the houses that they've been selling? Maybe it's because they've remodeled or put a lot of money into their house, and maybe you don't have all of the time and funds to remodel. So, I have a few tips that I think are crucial for you so you can use them, and buyers will fall in love with your house right away. So, here are four of my best tricks for getting your home ready to sell. All the things that you can do while hanging out with your family over this holiday season. One of the most important things that you can do is to declutter your entire house from top to bottom. Chances are, if you've lived in your space for an extended period of time, you've probably accumulated a whole lot of stuff. However, most buyers aren't there to look at your knickknacks and all of your collections of things that you've acquired over the years. They're really trying to picture themselves living in the space. And it's hard for them to picture that when there's all of your personal belongings in that space scattered around. So, rooms you should really focus on are the kitchen, the living areas. People are a little more forgiving about bedrooms, but just make sure that you have removed as much clutter as possible. And this also means tucking away your prized possessions and family pictures. Trust me on this one. The second tip is to freshen up your paint. If you're like most sellers, you probably have some scratches, dings, dents, chips on the baseboard, normal wear and tear type of things that come with just living in a home. There's nothing like a little fresh paint that can bring a space to life and make it look brand spanking new. Uh, Paint colors go in and out of style. So if you've got a whole bunch of dark colors that were really in years ago, the colors everybody likes these days are really light colors, light grays, light whites. That's what people like because it looks clean and fresh and very current. So, taking the time to make things look like new will pay off in the end because buyers will feel more confident about wanting to make an offer in a nice, clean, freshly painted home. Tip number three, organize the closets. Closet space can be a huge selling point. So you want to add cleaning out all of your closets to the list because let's face it, having storage space can make or break a sale. And if your closet is jam packed full, it could be a real turnoff for buyers that are looking for something with plenty of space, but they can't see how much space is in your closet because half your belongings should be removed so they can really get a good idea of how big the spaces are. Freeing up space will make it appear that you have all the space your buyer could want and then some. Be sure to do the same thing with your cabinets. Clean and tidy will win the day. And my fourth and final tip, make the outside of your house look fresh and clean. Curb appeal is so important. There's nothing that can scare away a potential buyer more quickly than a junky looking yard. If it's a nice sunny day outside, go out and mow the lawn, plant a few flowers, trim the hedges, and don't forget to put away the garden hose, all those bikes, the kids' toys. Uh, People really want to see the house and not all your personal belongings. Just like decluttering on the inside, you're decluttering on the outside. You want potential buyers to feel welcomed and at home as soon as they pull up into the driveway. If you're seriously thinking about making a move, these tips can only help you make a faster sell at a higher price point. Putting these items off and then trying to do all of this last minute is really going to show. And when you're trying to list your home, it's already stressful enough and you have many other things to be focused on. So get this work done now while you have the time, and you'll be really happy that you did later. If you're thinking about making a move, I can help you through the process. Just send me a message or text me at 408 712 3932. No pressure, no sales tactics, just the help and guidance that you need. I have a great extended team of people that I work with all the time that can help you get decluttered, organized, painted, freshened up, and ready to sell. Please feel free to post any questions that you might have in the comment section below this video. I always go back and try and answer the questions on these videos after I've posted them to make sure that I'm answering all of your questions. And if you're a resident of Evergreen in San Jose, California, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Evergreen's Charm. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.